When you search for the best electric salt and pepper grinders, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, but to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Guyvis Grinder Set. The Guyvis Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set caught my eye with its sleek design and eco-friendly features, all for just $23.99. If you want a hassle-free way to season your meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set is rechargeable, meaning you can power it up in just 5 minutes for a whole meal, and it lasts for about 2 months on a full charge. Imagine cooking without the fuss of changing batteries. The external adjustable coarseness allows you to find that perfect grind without making a mess. Plus, with a 100 milliliter hopper, refills are infrequent, which is great when you're in the kitchen. The built-in LED light helps you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, which is handy during those late-night cooking sessions. Now, some people did mention that the plastic construction feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, considering the price and the features, it's still a solid choice for anyone looking for ease of use without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you love cooking at home and want something that simplifies seasoning. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra premium and heavy duty, but for the value, you really can't go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who want a bit more capacity.
Product number 2, Ionian Grinder Set. We have the Ionian Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, priced at just $19.99. This caught my attention for its adjustable levels and one-handed operation. If you're looking for convenience while cooking, this one's for you. The beauty of this grinder is its 5 adjustable levels for coarseness. It means you can get a fine grind for soups or a coarse grind for steaks, providing versatility in your cooking. The battery-powered design allows for one-handed operation, which is perfect when you're juggling other tasks in the kitchen. Plus, it features a built-in LED light that helps you see how much you're adding, which is perfect for nighttime cooking adventures. The transparent body lets you easily check spice levels at a glance, so you won't run out unexpectedly. Now, some users found that the battery life is shorter than expected. However, I think that's not a deal breaker since the convenience of one-handed operation and the price make it worth trying out. This is ideal for busy home cooks or those with limited hand mobility. Skip it if you prefer a rechargeable option, but for ease of use, it's a steal. Now, if the previous product's battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, Thermo Maven Grinder Set. The Thermo Maven upgraded electric salt and pepper grinder set is next on my list, retailing at $39.98. What stood out to me is its large capacity and rechargeable feature. If you're often cooking for a crowd, this is something to consider. With a whopping 110 milliliter capacity, this grinder means less time refilling and more time enjoying your meals. It's designed to last for about a month on a single charge, making it super convenient for regular use. The high-hardness ceramic grinder ensures that your spices stay fresh and flavorful, giving you that perfect grind every time. Plus, the 6 adjustable coarseness levels let you easily customize your seasoning to suit any dish. The built-in LED light is another bonus, allowing you to see exactly how much you're adding even in dim lighting. However, a few users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky compared to others. That said, if you're looking for efficiency and larger capacity, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for larger families or anyone who hosts a lot. Skip it if you have limited kitchen space, but value for money here is definitely high. Alright, that was a solid option, but if you want something more compact and budget-friendly, check this next one out.
Product number 4, Sangkon Grinder Set. The Sangkon Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, which you can snag for $19.99. I was really impressed by its gravity sensor feature. If you want something that's super easy to use, this is a great option. The gravity sensor means you can simply flip it over to start grinding, making it incredibly convenient, especially when you have your hands full. It also features an adjustable coarseness knob, allowing you to grind your spices to your desired texture. The built-in LED light automatically turns on when in use, which is a nice touch for evening or low-light cooking. And with a large jug opening, refilling is a breeze, minimizing mess. Some users had issues with the grinding speed, feeling it wasn't as quick as expected. However, I found it to be quite adequate for everyday use, and it's a minor hiccup compared to the overall ease it brings.
This is perfect for anyone who loves simplicity and convenience in the kitchen. Skip it if you prefer manual grinders, but for what you get, this is a solid buy. Now, if you like the idea of rechargeable grinders, you're going to want to hear about this next one.
Product number 5, 4-limb grinder set. We have the 4-limb electric salt and pepper grinder set, priced at $17.99. I was drawn to its rapid USB charging feature and sleek design. If you want something that's both functional and stylish, this is worth considering. The USB charging means you can avoid those pesky batteries altogether. And with its soft white LED light, it enhances visibility while you season your meals, creating a modern atmosphere in your kitchen. The one-handed automatic grinding feature makes it super easy to use while cooking, and the adjustable coarseness lets you customize your grind to suit every dish's needs. Plus, it operates quietly, which is a huge plus when you want to maintain a peaceful kitchen environment. Some reviewers mention that it sometimes struggles with harder spices. Here's the thing though, it excels with salt and standard pepper, which is what most of us generally use. So unless you're grinding tougher spices regularly, it's still a great option. This is perfect for those who want an elegant touch to their kitchen tools. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty grinder, but for everyday use, it's a fantastic deal. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 great electric salt and pepper grinders. The Gavis offers eco-friendly convenience, the Ione is perfect for one-handed operation, the Thermomaven shines with its large capacity, the Sancon makes grinding simple with its gravity feature, and the 4-limb combines style with functionality. Each has its own strengths, and your best choice really depends on your specific needs and budget. Happy seasoning!